Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports your metabolism, helps increase fat oxidation and supports healthy digestion as you go happily about your day. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is proven to support healthy weight loss, maintain healthy digestion and energy levels. It's a powerful and unique blend that is helping thousands of men and women in many different countries. It makes no difference if you're a man or a woman, if you're 60 or 30 years of age. You can get impressive results by taking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic daily, ideally for 3 to 6 months. You could notice the difference in a few short days from day, or in a week fuse. May it'll take a month or two to notice the impressive results you dream of by taking the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic each day. Either way, we believe you'll experience great results from the formula thanks to its unique combination of powerful nutrients. What if Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic doesn't work for you? We're very confident that you'll benefit from the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. However, if the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is less than satisfying for you, feel free to contact us directly to request a prompt refund of your purchase. No supplement or medication has a 100% success rate, and even if the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic comes close, we understand that may be the case for a very small percentage of our consumers. You are fully covered by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. To get started, just click in the description of this video below now. Thanks for watching.